If your air conditioner is working right now, consider yourself lucky.
My car is reading 101 degrees. My thermostat inside of my house says it's about 94.
Many residents at the Maxwell apartment complex in Metairie say they've been without AC for 6 days straight.
We don't have cold water in our apartment right here. We have no AC. That's been that way since last Wednesday.
Wayne Magid, along with 2 other residents, have thermostats reading nearly 90 degrees.
Just feel like just like a hot box, basically, like a death trap. It's very uncomfortable inside.
There are more than 100 residents living there, some with children, and they want answers.
It's miserable. My child wants to play in the apartment. She wants to run around, and I have to confine her to her room because that's where her AC unit is.
One resident sent us this email they received from the apartment complex saying, and I quote, "The air conditioning system at the Maxwell has malfunctioned after weeks of keeping the community cool in record high temperatures. We are working to restore full service as quickly as possible, and we hope to have a temporary solution on Tuesday," end quote. Nowhere in the email did they address why the cold water isn't working or when it will be fixed.
They don't have no ETA on when anything will be fixed or anything.
Brittany Jenkins tells me after spending hundreds of dollars on an AC unit, she has no money left for a hotel.
I spent $400 on air units. You know what I'm saying? That's money that's in our pocket that we really barely don't have, that we're working to get. Right. We don't have it like that.
Residents tell me communication with management has been sporadic since this began 6 days ago. With rent due in less than 24 hours, a handful of residents have decided not to pay rent until the problem gets fixed.
We don't really have nowhere to go. This is our house.
School's about to start.
Yeah, that's why I went
we got parents that's getting school supply stuff, and we don't have it like that. That's
Yeah.
a lot of money to be paying for an apartment to be dealing with the things that we deal with, and this is unacceptable.
Like, this is
This
bad.
is very, very bad.